Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Super excited as always when I get a new box to share with you. I'm going to be opening my latest Stitch Fix today. It's a smaller box and we're going to get right into it. If you're new, I'm Laura, Wyatt's white puppy dog. Sienna's the tan. I'm not sure if she's going to be joining us today. So far she has decided to stay in the house. And Harvey's my kitty. If you see him prowling around, he's out here, but staying out of camera view at the moment. Please hit that subscribe, hit that like so I can keep on creating new content for you. So Stitch Fix, I feel, has really been stepping up their game, like really stepping it up. And please keep in mind, I'm not sure what date I'm going to get this up, but if you sign up for Stitch Fix by July 17th, you will get, as a new subscriber, $25 off your first 4 boxes. Not 1, 2, 3, but 4 boxes. $25 off for a total of $100 towards new clothing. So keep that in mind. I'll put that information down below for you. But ever since they added in the preview and they have the shop, you can go through their shop and really put your put them in your wish list. Like actually you can like pieces and put them in your wish list. Your stylist can see that now. And I've gotten several, like I didn't realize it until I started getting some of those pieces and I was like, yes, right? You can also shop directly using Freestyle. You think you have 30 days to try those pieces on, send them back. If you keep all 5 of these pieces, 25% off. $20 styling fee does go against anything you keep. And if you still have the style pass, of course, no $20 fee. All right, let's get into my box. This is what I see when I open my box. So I have a bag for anything I don't love and don't want to keep. I have notes for my stylist as well as a pricing sheet and ideas of how to wear my pieces. I have my bundle and I'm getting shoes in here. So yes, they will send shoes or accessories depending on how you filled out your profile. So I asked for no accessories, but I do like shoes. So let's dig in. And you can leave notes for your stylist when you kick off your, like when you check out of the existing box and they set up your time for your next box, because they'll tell you right away when your next box is scheduled. You can ask for particular pieces, but you can always add notes for your stylist and they will see it. And you can get these as infrequently or frequently as you like. So here is my bundle. And I told them that what styles that I like and which ones I don't. I'm not really a fan of this particular brand, but I really like Pistola or Z Supply, those types of things. I do give a lot of those notes. So from the preview, I think that I picked several pieces because I love that they send you a preview. You have about 24 hours, I think it is, to look at that preview and pick items from it and have those sent to you and to add additional notes there as to what should be added. So a lot of times I'll pick 1, 2, 3 pieces and then I'll leave a note for what I want the other pieces to be added. And this is how I think my fixes have just been getting better and better. So first up, I have a little tank from 41 Hawthorn. I did actually pick this one from the preview. I like the square neck. I like the green. It's hard to find nice green tops. And I like this one as I felt it could be treated as a neutral. So it would go with many things. Then I have the Pistola Kelly Skater Short. I believe I also picked this one. I thought these were super fun. A little bit longer, a little distressing only at the bottom, not all through the short. These do have a little stretch, but not much. This is the 90s Skater Short. So I'm thinking these are mostly cotton. They are 77% cotton, 23% lay-on. Another Pistola, because I said I liked it, so that's what she put in my preview. These are the Marissa High-Rise Utility Short, so I picked these as well. Love these with the pork chop pockets. These do have major stretch, floppy pockets, but they are snapped down, so you don't have to worry about them flapping up. And they're in this nice, I would say more like they're calling it white, but if you look at the white of the card against this, you'll see it's a little bit of an antique white. And then I have a pair of Sanctuary shorts. These are the Drift Linen Cargo Short. Oh no, these are pants. These are pants. Check those out. So I love that they have the cargo pockets down here at the lower leg or towards the knee. They're wider. Flappy pockets in the back. And then they do have a drawstring. Nice and lightweight. Love those. Okay. And then I think I picked all 4 of those. And I even think, like, check out these greens go nicely together. Just complement each other, a little bit darker and lighter. And then she added as my, I think I picked 4 out of the 5. So my 5th item is the Dolce Vita Aerie Sandal. Let's see what these look like. Oh, these are cute. They have that belt buckle. They're a flat, double strap. What do you think of those? Those are cute, right? So we've got full outfit here and a couple of them. Let's get right to this try on. First outfit. All right, so I've got the 41 Hawthorn tank, which I'm really enjoying. Has a square neck. It is bra friendly. It has a nice fit, but it has plenty of stretch and room. Tucks in nicely. I paired it with these cargo pants by Sanctuary. These are a nice lightweight, so it's really hot out right now. Excuse me, Harvey. It is hot out and muggy today, and these actually feel really nice on. They're like skimming the body, not too tight. I did need a little bit more of a heel than the flats that were sent to me in this particular box, so I did put on those to make sure they're not touching the ground, which looks like they're almost. I might need a little bit more of a heel, but I actually really like these. So we have these pockets here, the floppy pockets in the back. It has the drawstring waist. And I actually like the all green monochromatic look. Enjoying this one. Let me know what you think. And for these pieces, the Sanctuary Drift Linen Cargo Pant in extra small I have on, $129. The 41 Hawthorn Kyle Square Neck Modal Fitted Tank in olive extra small, $35 for this tank, $35. And my stylist is Janina. She has been my stylist for quite some time now, and she does such an amazing job, so shout out to her. Let's do another outfit. Next up, I have on the Pistola white shorts, and I did put on the sandals with the same tank as the last outfit. That'll be on through the rest of the video. I love these shorts. So they have amazing comfort and stretch to them. Like, oh, so fabulous. They mold to your curves, and they just feel so, so good on. Pockets here in the front, floppy pockets in the back. So, so cute. And then these shoes have the little bit of a thicker strap in closest to your ankle, and then the thinner strap at your toes. Little buckle there. So the high-rise utility short by Pistola, I'm wearing a size 2, 128. And then we have the Dolce Vita Aerie Sandal in beige. I'm wearing my normal size, which is an 8. And these must be on sale because they are $41.97. What? $41.97. All right, we're down to the last item, just in time before all my neighbors start to come out and it gets harder for me to do this video. So it's going to work out so, so well. This is a Pistola denim. Really enjoying these. They are more of a Bermuda length. Distressing only here at the bottom, nothing at the top. They have less stretch than the white shorts. But I'm really liking these. They have a great fit. They feel nice on. This is a size 2, which is my normal size. And I'm loving, loving, loving the sun bleached denim. That is the best. They're obviously going to relax a bit as you wear them. So they're a little more stiff right now, but I expect them to give as I wear them. And I think they will just mold perfectly into like one of my favorite cutoffs. These are the Kelly 90s Skater Short by Pistola. As I said, I'm wearing a 2. $118 is the regular price for these. What do you think? As always, I will list all these items down below in case you would add any of them to your wish list or request any of them from your stylist. And of course, I'll put my referral link down below in case you'd like to give this a try right now for the first time and take advantage of the special they have going on, which is just amazing. So the total for all 5 is $451.97. As I mentioned, if you buy all, you get 25% off, which would be $112.99. Bringing it down to $338.98 for the total for me. What are your favorites? What do you think? I actually am really enjoying it all. I'm trying to figure out if the sandals are a love for me. I actually really love everything else. The sandals, maybe not. However, for the price of $41.97, probably not worth just sending those back. So let me know what you thought. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you next video. Bye, everybody.